Today with Maddie Akkermans, the co-founder of the Weathermakers.
Well, the energy was very positive, although there was also very critical, can we do this? Are we allowed to do this? What will be the consequences? We don't know, so we shouldn't. That kind of energy was there. But also, we do know that we're in a hotspot together, and we do need to do something. And we're talking about a region where it's, well, the political tension, the people are not able to take care of their own livelihood. So there's so much gain at that location that it's also a vision that we, even if it's 1% chance that we can do this, we should. And we were at that moment already very much assisted by what we call our Jedis. We have a group of scientists, biologists that have spent their whole life creating visions, creating solutions, creating data and theories at a high level that are now like 80-year-olds that really assist us and stand with us. And they all came to the Netherlands also during that convention. So that gave it this, whoa, these people are actually telling us also that, the Weathermakers are correct in saying, let's do this. So it was a very hopeful gathering. If you look at the quality of the aquatic systems and the fish stocks out there, we are having a problem. It's almost like don't eat fish because there's not enough out there. But if you look at regenerative time schedules, your aquatic system regenerates much quicker than your land system. So we should first have our attention on the coastal zone, create more fish stocks so that people can eat from it, have livelihood about it, and then move forward. And the investment of the lake will be earned back by the government via the VAT out of the economy that is created with the fish stock. So we're really talking about a fish engine within the lake and creating an abundant system of which people can eat, have export, economy, pay taxes. You need to take more time to do the work that could be done faster. And the game is going to be with monitoring also, like where can we move faster and what time do we need? We will learn while doing. And it mainly depends on also the waves, the currents, tidal energy. So the most important thing is to have the people that are doing their work have all these different data inputs so that they can have easy access towards decision making